Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today our group will present you about case study 2 and our group members is Syazwani, Farahanim and Pavitra. So for first slide is contents of case study 2, and in case study 2 we have to tell what is Amazon EC2 service, describe the feature of Amazon EC2 service, describe this storage for Amazon EC2 instance, explain the regions and availability zones in Amazon EC2, find out on how to perform the launch and Amazon EC2 instance, find out on how to create security group in Amazon EC2 instance. Okay, for first slide, I will tell you about what is Amazon EC2 service. Okay, Amazon EC2 allows a developer to spin up virtual machines which provide compute capacity for IT projects and cloud workloads that run with global AWS data centers. Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, Amazon EC2, is a web-based service that allows business to run application programs in the Amazon Web Service public cloud. Okay. So next, we have to describe the features of the Amazon EC2 service. First is virtual computing environments known as instance, and second, pre-configured templates for your instance known as Amazon Machine Image that package the bits you need for your server, including the operating system and additional software. So various configuration of CPU, memory, storage and networking capacity for your instance known as instance types. Next, secure login information for your instance using key pairs. AWS stores the public key and you store the private key in a secure place. Next, storage volume for temporary data that's delete when you stop, hibernate or terminate your instance, known as instance store volume. So next, I will pass to Farah for explain to you about storage Amazon EC2 instance. So, bye.
I will present you the next slide. Describe the storage for Amazon EC2 instance. First, Amazon EC2. EC2 instance storage is the temporary block storage service provided by AWS. This storage device physically lie on the same host that provide the EC2 instance and are essentially useful to store temporary data associated with the EC2 instance. Secondly, for Amazon EBS, AWS Elastic Block Store EBS is Amazon's block level storage solution used with the EC2 cloud service to store persistent data. EBS offers the same high availability and low latency performance within the selected availability zone, allowing users to scale storage capacity at low subscription-based pricing model. Third, for Amazon S3, Amazon Simple Storage Service. Amazon S3 is storage for the internet. It is designed to make web-scale computing easier. Amazon S3 has a simple web service interface that you can use to store and retrieve any amount of data at any time from anywhere on the web. Fourth, for adding store, every time you launch an instance from an AMI, a root storage device is created for the instance. The root storage device contains all the information necessary to boot the instance. You can specify storage volume in addition to the root device volume when you create an AMI or launch an instance using block device mapping. For next slide is explain the region and availability zone in Amazon EC2. AWS has the concept of region, which is physical location around the world where we cluster data centers. We call each group of logical data center and availability zone. Each AWS regions consists of multiple isolated and physically separate AZs within a geographic area. An availability zone AZ is one or more discrete data center with redundant power, networking, and connectivity in an AWS region. Next is AZs gives customer the ability to operate production application and database that are more highly available, fault tolerant, and scalable than would be possible from a single data center. All AZs in AWS region are interconnected with high bandwidth, low latency networking over fully redundant dedicated metal fiber, providing high throughput, low latency network between AZs. Okay, that's all from me. I will pass you to Favi.
Hi madam, my name is Pavitra and I will present about find out on how perform the launch an Amazon EC2 instance. Okay, firstly, sign into the preview version of AWS Management Console. Open the Amazon EC2 console by choosing EC under Compute. Okay, step 1. From the Amazon EC2 dashboard, choose Launch Instance. The chosen and Amazon Machine Image AMI page display a list of basic configurations called AMI that serve as templates for your instance. Select the HVM edition of the Amazon Linux AMI. Notice that this configuration is marked free tier eligible. Step 2. On the Choose as an Instant Type page, choose T.2 micro as the hardware configuration of your instance and review and launch. On the review instance launch page, choose launch. And step 4. On the add storage page, you can specify additional volume to attach to the instance by choosing add new volume. Configure each volume as follows and then choose next add text. Okay, next. Text page, specify text by providing key value combination. You can tag the instance, their value, or both. For spot instance, you can tag the spot instance request only. Choose another tag to add more than one tag that you resource. Choose next. Configure security group when you are done. Next step, on the configure security group page, use a security group to define firewall rules. For your instance, select create security group as follow and then choose review and launch. And 7. In the select an existing key pair or created a new key pair dialog box, choose create a new key pair, enter a name of the key pair, and then choose download key pair. Save the private key file in a safe place, then choose launch instance. And lastly, a confirmation page let you know that your instance is launching, and choose view instance to close the confirmation page and return to console. Okay. Next, find out on how to create security group in Amazon EC2 instance. Okay, first open the Amazon VPC console at http console.aws.amazon.com/vpc/ and then step 2, in the navigation pane choose security group. Third, choose create security group. Fourth, enter a name of a security group, for example my security group, and then provide a description. In the file sometimes they will give the description. Step 5, from VPC select the ID of your VPC. For example, if I got created lab VPC, so we have to choose. Step 6, add this optional. It's just optional. Add or remove a tag. And 7, for key, enter the key name. For step 8, for value, enter the key value. And then choose create. That's all. This is how you create the security group in Amazon EC2 instance. Thank you.
That's all for our group presentation. Hope you like and enjoy this video. Bye!